Good morning to all. So in last class we discussed about alcohol, introduction and classification of alcohol. So now we discuss about the continuation topic, so structure of alcohol, and afterwards we discuss about the preparation methods of alcohol. Okay, first we will go to the structure of alcohol. So in the case of structure of alcohol, suppose if you take any one of the example. By using that example, we are easy to understand the structure of alcohol. Suppose if you take methyl alcohol, what is the structure of methyl alcohol? So CH3 bond OH. This is the methyl alcohol structure. So in the case of methyl alcohol structure, so OH group of oxygen atom directly bonded with carbon. So OH group oxygen atom directly bonded with carbon by a single bond. This is the single bond. So and also this carbon is sp3 carbon. So carbon, three types of carbons are there. Already we learned in previous videos: sp3 carbon, sp2 carbon, sp carbon. sp3 carbon means all bonds are single bonds. That carbon is taken as sp3. In this example, this carbon is also having all bonds are single bonds. That's why this carbon is sp3 carbon. sp3 carbon. Okay, so this explanation we will write in statements. In alcohol, oxygen of the OH group. In this alcohol, this is the alcohol molecule. In this alcohol, oxygen of the OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon by a sigma bond formed by the overlap of sp3 hybridized orbital of carbon with the sp3 hybridized orbital of oxygen. Okay, so not only this example, so you take any type of alcohol molecule, so must and should OH group oxygen atom directly bonded with carbon by a sigma bond, that means a single bond. So in alcohols the oxygen atom of the oxygen of the bond OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon, sp3 hybridized carbon by a sigma bond, bond. So the sigma bond, how to form the sigma bond? sp3 hybridized carbon orbital overlap with sp3 hybrid orbital of oxygen by the overlap of sp3 hybrid orbital of carbon with a sp3 hybrid orbital of oxygen. Okay, so not only this example, any example of alcohol, OH group of oxygen directly bonded with the carbon by a sigma bond, that means a single bond. So the sigma bond how to form, already we learned in first PUC chemical bonding. Sp3 hybridized orbital of carbon overlap with sp3 hybridized orbital of oxygen. So lateral overlapping or sidewise overlapping, two types of overlappings are there, already you know. If you want sigma bond, head to head overlapping is possible. Okay, so next one more point about the structure of alcohol. So generally according to the structure, carbon having all bonds are single bonds, that's why it is involved in what type of hybridization? sp3 hybridization. So according to chemical bonding, if any molecule involved in sp3 hybridization, what is the bond angle? 109 degrees 28 minutes. But in the case of structure of alcohol, each and every OH group, oxygen having two lone pairs. In between the repulsions of these two lone pairs, that bond angle will be reduces. That means, so 109 degree 28 minutes is the actual value, but repulsions are present, that's why this value will be decreases 108 degrees 5 minutes. So these explanation we will write in statements. Okay, in this case the C bond O bond H bond angle is C bond O bond H, C bond O bond H. Bond angle in alcohol, bond angle in alcohol is less than 109 degrees 28 minutes. It is due to what is the reason? Repulsions between lone pair of electrons, repulsions between lone pair of electrons on oxygen atom, So generally if any molecule involved in sp3, must ensure that bond angle should be obey 109 degrees 28 minutes bond angle. But here also carbon is involved in sp3, but that bond angle is not equal to 109 degree 28 minutes, less than, what is that value? 108 degrees 5 minutes. So it is taken in diagram. This is the CH3, this is O, this is hydrogen. So generally oxygen having two lone pairs. So here generally oxygen having two lone pairs. So this bond angle, what is the bond angle? C bond O bond H, C bond O bond H bond angle. Actually this is sp3 hybridization, even though that bond angle is less than 109 degree 28 minutes, because the repulsions between these two lone pair, that bond angle is 108 degrees 5 minutes, 108 degrees 5 minutes. And also one more point, the bond length between the carbon and oxygen, carbon-oxygen bond length, and also the bond length between the oxygen and hydrogen, it is taken as 142 picometers. The bond length between carbon oxygen is 142 picometers. Similarly, the bond length between O bond H is the bond length between O bond H is 142 picometers. PM means picometer. So picometer means 1 picometer is equal to 10 power minus 10 centimeters. Already we learned in solid state lesson. Okay, so this is the structure of alcohol information, complete information about the structure of alcohol. So next we will go to the preparation methods. So preparation methods of alcohols. Preparation methods of alcohol preparation methods. So in the case of alcohol preparation methods, the first preparation method, so from alkenes this one. So in the case of alkene means double bonded compounds. Okay, so alkenes undergo hydration. It is also called as, this reaction is also called as by acid catalyzed hydration. So by acid catalyzed hydration. So in the case of alkene, react with water in the presence of acid catalyst, we can get the alcohol. First we can write the statements. So in the case of statement, now we can write, so alkene react with water in the presence of acid. Acid means generally we can use H2SO4 to form alcohols. This is the general statement. So now we discuss about the general reaction. So in the case of general reaction, first generally alkene, it was represented by like this C, double bond C. This carbon only 2 bonds completed, that's why another 2 bonds, alkene. This is the alkene. React with water plus H2O in the presence of acid. Acid means it releases H plus. We can get alcohol. So these two bonds as it is the same. So here in H2O one hydrogen atom is attached, one OH group is attached here. We can get alcohol. So this is the general reaction of alcohol preparation from alkenes. We can take alkene, react with water in the presence of acid H plus to form alcohol. So this one, in this case, now we discuss about the examples, some other examples. So before going to examples, so first example, suppose instead of general alkene molecule we are taken as ethene, CH2, double bond CH2. It is react with water in presence of H plus. According to this general statement, in H2O, for easy to understand the product, in H2O two parts are there, H plus one part, OH minus another part. H plus is attached to one carbon, OH minus is attached to another double bonded carbon. Then that pi bond will be removed. Here this pi bond will be removed. We can get CH2 bond CH2. Here in H2O one hydrogen atom is attached to here, one OH group is attached to here. So what is the name of this molecule, product name? What is the product name? This is generally CH3 CH2 bond OH. Yes or no? What is the name of this molecule? Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. So what is the statement? If you know the reaction, easy to write the statement. What is the statement? So ethene react with water H2O in presence of acid, that means H plus, to form ethyl alcohol. So this is the statement about this reaction. Okay, generally first we can write the statement, next we can write the reaction. Second example number 2. So in the case of second example, generally alkenes are two types. Alkene. Already we discussed it in haloalkane lesson. One is symmetrical alkene. Next one is unsymmetrical alkene. So symmetrical means double bonded carbons having same number of hydrogen atom. This is the symmetrical. Ethene is the symmetrical alkene. Reason, double bonded carbon having same number of hydrogen atom. This is the double bonded carbon, 2 hydrogen atom. This is the double bonded carbon, here 2 hydrogen atom. So equal number of hydrogen containing double bonded carbon, that is called symmetrical alkene. Unsymmetrical alkene, oppositely, so double bonded carbons having different number of hydrogen atoms. So for example, CH3 bond CH, double bond CH2. So in this case, so this is the double bonded carbon, this is also double bonded carbon, but here this is not double bonded carbon, this is single bond. We can consider only double bonded carbons. Double bonded carbon having 1 hydrogen, here double bonded carbon having 2 hydrogens. So different number of hydrogen atoms are there at double bonded carbon. That's why it is unsymmetrical alkene. So ethene molecule, this is the ethene. In this ethene, this is symmetrical, equal number of hydrogen. That's why directly we can add one carbon is H plus, another carbon is OH group. So then we can get the product. Okay, in the case of unsymmetrical alkene, if you get the most stable alcohol, correct product of alcohol, we can follow the Markovnikov rule. So once again we discuss about the Markovnikov rule. Already we discussed it in haloalkane lesson, Markovnikov rule. So what is the Markovnikov rule? Markovnikov rule. So positive part attached to double bonded carbon, positive part attached to double bonded carbon, which is having attached to double bonded carbon added to double bonded carbon. It is simply we can write C double bond C. Added to C double bond C carbon, which is having more number of hydrogen atom, more number of hydrogen atoms. So negative part opposite, less number of hydrogen atom containing double bonded carbon, it is attached. So positive part, if you understand this statement, automatically you remember the negative part statement. Positive part is attached to, positive part added to double bonded carbon. What type of double bonded carbon? Which is having more number of hydrogen atom. So negative part added to double bonded carbon, which is having less number of hydrogen atom. This is more, that is less. So by using Markovnikov rule, we can write the preparation method of alcohol from alkene. So in the case of this one, we are taking the unsymmetrical alkene, propene, that example CH3 bond CH double bond CH2. What is this name? Propane. What is the nature of alkene? Unsymmetrical. Unsymmetrical. We are added water, He plus. So if you want alcohol correct product, we can follow the Markovnikov rule. We can follow Markovnikov rule. So in H2O, what is the positive, what is the negative part? In H2O, two parts are there, He plus, OH minus. So this is the positive part. This positive part is according to Markovnikov rule added to double bonded carbon. This is a double bonded carbon. This is a double bonded carbon, which is having more number of hydrogen. This carbon having 2 hydrogen, this carbon having 1 hydrogen. If you want to correct alcohol product, this H plus is must and should we are added to more number of hydrogen containing double bonded carbon. Next, automatically this OH minus is attached to this carbon. This OH group is attached to, we are taking CH3 bond CH bond OH bond CH3 bond OH bond CH3. So this is the final alcohol product. So in the case of symmetrical alkene, so no need to follow Markovnikov rule because same number of hydrogen atom. That means no need to follow means we are added H plus any one of them double bonded carbon. But this is the unsymmetrical alkene. That's why must and should we follow Markovnikov rule. What is the name of this molecule? So this name is common system. 2 methyl groups are attached to single carbon. That's why what is the pronunciation? Iso. 3 carbon atoms. Propyl. Isopropyl alcohol. This one. So this is the reaction, second example. So statement. So actually generally first statement we should write, after that reaction. For easy to understand, first I will explain the reaction, after that statement. So whenever you write in your main notes, first you write the statement, next reaction. So propane react with water H2O in presence of H plus in bracket acid, in presence of H plus, to form to form isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. This is the statement. So next we can write the reaction. This is the, for understanding purpose, we discuss about this information. Okay, this is the preparation method of alcohol from alkanes. Complete information. Alkane complete information. Alkane general reaction, alkane, water, H plus, pi bond remove, one hydrogen atom is attached to one carbon, OH group is attached to another carbon, finally we can get alcohol. First example, ethene, simple molecule. So ethene react with water in presence of acid to form ethyl alcohol. So to form ethyl alcohol. This is the reaction. Next, Marconi alkane, symmetrical, unsymmetrical. We follow the Markovnikov rule. Positive part added to more number of hydrogen atom. So for this reaction, in some materials they are giving mechanism also. Now we discuss about the mechanism of this reaction. Mechanism. So what is the mechanism of this reaction? Now we discuss. So first we discuss according to syllabus. We discuss the mechanism for this reaction. First we can write the CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2O H plus. We can get CH3 CH2OH. This is ethene. This is ethyl alcohol. So for this reaction, now we discuss about the mechanism. For this reaction, now we will discuss about the mechanism. Okay. So first step 1. In this first step 1, H plus acid, take one test tube. In that test tube, ethene compound and water and H2SO4 is added. So H2SO4 releases H plus ions, that is act as a catalyst generally. So first this H plus approaches to ethene generally. So in this case we can get the formation of carbocation. So step 1 is formation of carbocation. So in the case of formation of carbocation, CH2 double bond CH2, first H plus is approaches to ethene molecule. Whenever it will be approaches, this pi bond will be shifted to any one of the carbon. This pi bond is shifted to this carbon. What happened? This carbon getting negative, this carbon getting positive. Yes or no? So CH2 negative charge bond CH2 positive charge. Then immediately this H plus is attached to negatively charged carbon. This is attached to this one. Then what we can get? We can get CH3 bond CH2 plus. This is the carbocation. Carbon having positive charge. That's why this is taken as carbocation. We can get carbocation in first step, formation of carbocation. So this is the first reaction. Okay, simple. H plus is approaches to ethene. Pi bond is rotated to any one of the carbon, or this carbon, any one of the carbon. So rotated carbon getting the negative charge, other carbon getting the positive charge. Then H plus positive charge, carbon getting negative. Opposite charges both are interact with each other. We can get CH3 bond CH2 plus carbocation. So next step 2. Step 2. So for this carbocation, nucleophile is attacked. So nucleophile, what is the nucleophile? Water having the nucleophile. So because oxygen having lone pair of electrons, that's why it is acting as a nucleophile. Statement. So nucleophile He2O, it is acting as a nucleophile. Can react with carbocation to form intermediate product. So in the case of step 2, so H2O, it is acting as a nucleophile, can react with carbocation to form intermediate product. So now we discuss reaction. So this is the carbocation. CH3 CH2 plus interact with H2O, oxygen having lone pair of electron. Oxygen having lone pair of electron, carbon having positive charge. Positive charge means empty orbital, nothing but empty orbital. So that's why, so this H2O, this lone pair of electron is donated to this carbon. So oxygen donate lone pair of electron, that's why oxygen getting positive charge. Then CH3 bond CH2 bond, in between carbon and oxygen one bond, oxygen donate electron, that's why oxygen getting plus, then 2. So this is the intermediate product. In step 3. Now we will go to the step 3. In the case of step 3, so intermediate proton is removed, H plus is removed from intermediate product to form alcohol. So step 3 statement, H plus is removed from intermediate product to form alcohol. Okay, so for this reaction, so this is the intermediate product. So this intermediate product is unstable because oxygen having positive charge, that is unstability nature. That's why this CH3 bond CH2 bond O, so H. So in this case, this is the sigma bond between oxygen and hydrogen. So which is more electronegative? Oxygen is more electronegative compared to hydrogen. That's why these bond pair of electrons are moved towards to oxygen. Then hydrogen atom is easy to remove in the form of H plus. Then what to do? What we can get? So CH3 bond CH2, oxygen gain hydrogen sigma bonded electron, then it is converted to OH. Then positive charge will be neutral, OH plus H plus. So H plus, again H plus is releases. So that's why H plus here act as a catalyst. So reaction is started with H plus. Yes or no? In step 1. in step 1 H plus is started with reaction. Alkene react with H plus, we can get carbocation. In step 2 nucleophile can react with carbocation, we can get the intermediate product. So in step 3, so H plus is removed from the intermediate product to form alcohol. That's why H plus is started the reaction and also it is finally eliminated from the reaction. That's why it is acting as a catalyst. It is acting as a catalyst. So this is the complete mechanism of alcohol preparation from alkenes. So this is the first reaction of alcohol preparation. So next preparation method, that is by hydroboration and oxidation reaction. Hydroboration and oxidation reactions. So in the case of hydroboration oxidation, second, what is the name? Hydroboration oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction. So what is the meaning of, first we discuss about the boration and oxidation meaning. So in the case of hydroboration oxidation reaction, so boration means diborane will be react. What is the meaning of diborane? What is the formula? Already we learned first BSc. What is that one? B2H6. It is also taken as BH3. Yes or no? 2 BH3 groups. 2 BH3 means B2, 2 boron, 6 hydrogen atom. So diborane. So sometimes in that chemical reaction, instead of diborane, we can represent only one BH3. It is also both are same. Because, listen here, one basic points are there. BH3, it is acting as a Lewis acid. Lewis acid means electron deficient. What is the meaning? Electron deficient. How it is possible? So boron, hydrogen. Total how many electrons are there? At boron, only 6 electrons. Yes or no? According to octet rule, for stability purpose, how many electrons are required? 8 electrons are required. At BH3, how many electrons? Only 6 electrons. That means BH3 gain another 2 electrons for getting the stability. That means electron deficient molecule. This is electron deficient molecule. This is one property. Next, another important property in BH3. So in BH3, boron and hydrogen. So for easy to understand the reaction purpose only, I will take this condition. So boron and hydrogen. In BH3, boron hydrogen bonds are there. In boron and hydrogen, so hydrogen is the, compared to boron, hydrogen is the more electronegative. En, shortcut electronegative, compared to boron. Compared to hydrogen, boron is the less electronegative. So generally more electronegative means it attracts the electron getting the negative charge. Less electronegative means it loses the electron, it getting the positive charge. So suppose if bond will be broken, hydrogen getting the negative, boron getting the positive. So suppose boron hydrogen bond will be broken, hydrogen getting negative, boron getting positive. So this is the basic information about the hydroboration. Oxidation means oxidizing agents. Hydrogen peroxide acts as a oxidizing agent. Okay, now we will go to the main reaction. First we will go to the statement. So propene. So propene react with, this is the propene, react with diborane. Diborane to form tripropyl borane. To form tripropyl borane. Addition product, then it is, after that it is oxidized to, alcohol in the presence of H2O2 and aqueous NaOH solution. This is the complete statement. So hydroboration oxidation reaction. So in this one we are taking alkene. What type of alkene? Propane. React with diborane. Diborane means B2H6 or BH3 twice, or for easy to understand BH3. Okay. So now we discuss about the reaction about hydroboration oxidation. First we can get the addition product. We can get tripropyl borane addition product, and it is oxidized to alcohol. For the oxidization purpose we are using H2O2 and aqueous NaOH solution. Okay, now we will go to reaction of hydroboration oxidation. So firstly we discuss statement hydroboration oxidation, this one. So here we are taking propane first molecule. We are taking molecule. What is the structure of propane? CH3 bond CH, double bond CH2. Generally this is propane. It is react with diborane. For easy to understanding purpose we are taking BH3 only. BH3. So BH3 react with propane. How to react? In BH3 two parts are there. Yes or no? Two parts. What are those? B bond hydrogen. This is delta negative. This is positive. Yes or no? BH2 this. So in propane is also two parts are there. So whenever this pi bond will be rotated on this carbon, so we are getting what type of CH3 bond CH, bond CH2. We are taking bond CH2. So in this case this pi bond will be rotated this carbon. So this carbon rotated, this one also possible, this one also possible. So first we are taking only this type of rotation only. This type of rotation only. So after that I will explain that reason. Okay. So in this case, rotated carbon getting negative, other carbon getting positive. For this positive charge, this H minus is attached. Here bond will be broken. So BH2 group is attached to BH2 group is, this is attached to this one. What we can get? What we can get? So here CH3 bond CH, hydrogen is attached, CH2 bond CH2 bond BH2, yes or no? BH2. In BH2 we are taken as like this, BH bond H. Okay, understood? So again here bond dissociation will be possible. Again here bond dissociation, that means this is negative, this is positive. It is interact with another molecule of propane. So BH3, once again BH3, in BH3 boron hydrogen having negative positive charges. Here also this bond will be rotated, this carbon negative charge, positive charge. That's why this H plus is, H minus is attached to positive part, BH2 is attached to negative part. We are getting the intermediate compound. This is one intermediate compound. Intermediate. So this intermediate, again hydrogen negative charge, boron positive. This part is positive part. Again it is interact with another molecule of propane. That means CH3 bond CH, double bond CH. Okay, so same principle we can apply here. This bond will be rotated on this carbon. What we can get? So here we can get, here also two parts are there, CH3 bond CH plus bond CH2 minus. This is the second molecule of propane. Yes or no? Second molecule of propane. It is interactive with this one. Here two parts, H minus. This H minus is attached to, this H minus is attached to this CH plus, and again this total part, it is remaining part is attached to this one. This one, what we can get? So in this case we can get CH3, this is the CH3 molecule, CH3 bond CH plus, negative is H minus, that means CH2 bond CH2, positive is this total part, positive part boron, generally B bond H, remaining bond, remaining CH2 CH2 CH3, CH2 CH2 CH2. We can get this compound. So we can get, it is also write in simple form. Here CH3 CH2 CH2, CH3 CH2 CH2, two times are there. That's why CH3 CH2 CH3 twice B bond H. Again here positive negative charges are there. This is negative, this is positive. Again it is interact with third molecule of, third propene molecule, CH3 CH, double bond CH. This is the second propane. So again here bond will be shifted on this carbon getting negative, this carbon getting positive. So for easy to understand, CH3 CH plus bond CH2 minus this this H plus is, this H plus, H minus is attached to this CH plus, this total part, it is attached to CH2. Then what we can get? So, in the case of this compound product, so final product, so this is CH3 bond CH plus H minus is attached to CH2. This is CH2 negative charge, positive part, total positive part. That means boron CH3 CH2 CH2 twice. This is also same. It is also taken as equally. It is taken in this molecule CH3 CH2 CH2 thrice B. This is the intermediate tripropyl boron. This is the tripropyl tripropyl boron. So according to statement, we can get one intermediate product. This is detailed in again. Some other reaction is also there. Again, it is involved in oxidation. Oxidation means H2O2 OH minus. Then here this part in H2O2 OH minus is attached to this propyl group. H2O2 oxidized with boron, it is converted to H3BO3. Then we can get final product. What is that one? CH3 CH2 OH. This OH group is attached to here. We can get alcohol plus boron oxidized with H2O2 boric acid H3BO3. This is the final product. Alcohol. So once again explanation. So this is the propene. So in this propene, this pi bond is rotated to this carbon only, because whenever it is rotated to here, positively charged carbon getting the more number of alkyl groups, that is the most stable. Suppose molecule is rotated here, this carbon getting plus, that means only one alkyl group, that is less stable. So that's why this always it will be rotated on this carbon getting negative, other carbon getting positive. In BH3, every B bond H having charges negative, positive. So that's why here negative part is attached to positive BH2, positive part CH2, BH2, one boron hydrogen we can write openly. Again here negative positive charges will be created. Again it is interact with second molecule of propene. Again same, pi bond will be shifted to first carbon, negative positive. This positively charged, it is interact with hydrogen negative. This negative charge interact with positive boron positive. So we can get this one. It is write the simplest form. This is the simple form. So in this simple form, we can take in as two groups same. That's why we can write twice B bond H. Again here negative positive charges are there. So that's why third propene molecule. So same, rotate, this carbon getting negative, this carbon getting positive, this positive, negative. We can get this one. This is that twice. This is simply we can write thrice. Tripropyl boron. It is involved in oxidation. This is oxidation reaction. oxidation, H2O2 OH minus. So one OH minus is attached to this group. Here bond will be broken. Boron is oxidized with H2O2. We can get alcohol. This is the complete information about the hydroboration and oxidation reaction. Hydroboration and oxidation reaction. So it is very easy to practice that one by using the shortcut method. Shortcut method means positive negative. Suppose if you refer any books, they are not mentioned positive and negative. So in that examination also you are not mentioned positive negative. This is just for understanding purpose. Very easy to understand this reaction, very easy to remember these products. Whenever we can use positive negative mechanism. Okay, so totally today we discuss preparation methods and also nature of the alkyl group, structure of alcohol. This is the structure of alcohol. So in alcohol, this is the structure. So in this alcohol, see methyl group, bond O, bond hydrogen, in between this is sp3. Even though bond angle is 108 degrees 5 minutes, because due to repulsions between lone pair of electrons of oxygen atom, the bond length between CO bond is 142 pm. The bond length between O bond H 142 pm. So next one, preparation methods of alcohol. That is the first preparation method from alkene by acid catalyzed hydration. So in the case of alkene, react with water in the presence of acid to form alcohol. This is the general reaction. So one pi bond remove, hydrogen atom attached to one carbon, OH group is attached to another carbon. Example. So ethene react with water in the presence of H plus, we can get ethyl alcohol. Ethene react with water in presence of acid to form ethyl alcohol. Next example, we discuss about the some basic points. Alkenes are two types, symmetrical, unsymmetrical. In the case of unsymmetrical, we follow Markovnikov rule. What is the Markovnikov? Positive path added to more number of hydrogen atoms. So in the case of this one, we will go to this one next. So this is the reaction. Propene react with water. In water, two parts, H plus OH minus. This is unsymmetrical. That's why we follow Markovnikov. H plus is attached to more number of hydrogen. This one, we can get isopropyl alcohol. So next, propene. This is the statement. Okay. Next, mechanism for this reaction. Ethene, water, H plus ethyl alcohol. For this reaction mechanism, first formation of carbocation. H plus attack, pi bond is shifted, we can get carbocation. So H2O act as a nucleophile, it can react with carbocation to form intermediate product. This is the intermediate product. So next, this intermediate product, step 3. H plus is removed from intermediate product to form alcohol finally. So here oxygen is more electronegative, that's why gain electrons, it remove hydrogen in the form of H plus. Finally we can get alcohol. This is the alcohol molecule. Alcohol. Okay, so this is the first reaction. Next we will go to the hydroboration oxidation reaction. Firstly, we discuss about the basic points. Diborane, B2H6 or BH3 or BH3 we can mention. BH3 special property, Lewis acid, electron deficient because 6 electrons only present. Important point, in P bond H, which is the more electronegative atom, hydrogen, less electronegative. That's why hydrogen getting negative charge. So statement, propane react with diborane to form first tripropyl borane. Addition product, it is oxidized to alcohol in the presence of H2O2 NaOH. It will be taken in this manner. So this is the propane, BH3, H minus, BH2 plus, CH2 minus, CH plus. So here we are taking here. We can get second molecule, it is interact with the second molecule. We can get this one, this is interact with the third molecule. We can get this one. Finally we can get a tripropyl borane, tripropyl borane, tripropyl borane. This tripropyl borane react with H2O to OH minus oxidation. So this bond will be broken. OH group is attached to here. This is converted to H3BO3, boric acid. H3BO3, what is this name? Boric acid. So this is the final preparation method of hydroboration oxidation. Other preparation methods is also there. Next class we discuss. Thank you.